Hi guys, my name is Abba. Welcome back to my amazing kitchen. In today's video, we are making another simple and easy sandwich recipe. So come along and let's get right into it. We need some corned beef, some chopped carrots, finely diced red onion, some sweet corn and a tablespoon of mayonnaise. Transfer your corned beef into a mixing bowl and break it apart until it is no longer a chunk of corned beef. Now add your diced onion and your diced carrots and mix everything together. If you prefer, you can also add all of your vegetables in one go and mix it as well. But for the sake of easy mixing, I'm going to do this in smaller batches. As always, all the ingredients will be listed in the description box down below with the correct measurements, but to be honest, everything here is to taste. Now go ahead and season your filling with some onion powder, some garlic powder, and some freshly cracked black pepper. Black pepper no wa komupa. It's going to add a very nice flavor to your filling. Now give it a good mix and add about a tablespoon of mayonnaise. You don't want to add too much of it, just a tablespoon is enough. The mayonnaise will act as a binder and keep your filling together so that when you scoop your filling, it doesn't fall apart on you just like this. I'm picking this with a fork, but you can see how it sticks together. So with our filling done, let's proceed with the making of our sandwiches. I'm using here some white slices of sandwich bread, but any bread will do. Scoop some of your filling onto your bread and spread it out with the back of your spoon. You want to be generous with the filling in your sandwich. Cover with a second slice of bread and set it aside. I'm going to continue with the filling of the remaining sandwiches I want to make. The filling we made is quite a lot. I was able to fill an entire loaf of sandwich bread with it, so be generous. And if you have any leftovers, you can store it in an airtight container in your fridge and consume it within 2 to 3 days. For my third sandwich, I'm going to use brown slices of sandwich bread, so you can do that also if you prefer. Once I'm done filling my sandwiches, I'm going to use my mini sandwich maker, which is a sort of toaster or a grill, to make these sandwiches. You don't have to use this, but it makes this a little fancy, that's all. If you prefer, you can also butter your bread before you put it in your sandwich maker, but I don't find that to be necessary. Now go ahead and toast your sandwich following the instructions that comes with your own toaster. But normally if the steam is coming out of your toaster like this, it means that your sandwich is not yet done. So after about 3 to 4 minutes, my toast or my sandwich is done, and I'm going to take them out of my toaster. It is extremely hot, so be careful when you are taking it out of your toaster. Don't be like me, use a tongue. And there we have it. Our simple, delicious and gorgeous sandwich is ready. This sandwich is best eaten hot. Now continue with the remaining sandwiches until everything is done. So don't put your hot sandwiches on a plate or a paper towel. The steam coming from it will make them soft and soggy when you do. Keep them on a cooling rack. You can also keep them in your oven using your lowest temperature whilst you continue to make the rest of your sandwiches. It will prevent them from becoming soggy. Let me show you how the sandwich looks on the inside. It is so crisp on the outside but juicy and moist on the inside. It even gives you that meat pie kind of vibe. You know what I mean? Just look at this. I truly hope that you are able to try this simple and easy sandwich recipe because it is really amazingly delicious. Guys, thank you so much for watching and see you in my next video. Bye!